Introducing the Christmas collection from Real Deals for You. Most of you will be familiar with this. This is a disc-shaped padlock, well known around, a lot of brands make them. Quite frankly, there's an awful lot of rubbish padlocks out there. This is a genuine Discus padlock made by ABUS, who invented the Discus padlock. It's got 360-degree protection, it's got a hardened shackle, it's stainless steel body, it's bolt cutter resistant, it's saw resistant, it's hammer resistant. It offers a high level of security, 7 out of 10 on the security scale. Comes with 2 keys and the shackle opens, it's key operated. Okay, you lock this on a hasp and staple, you've got protection all the way around. So here we have hasp and staple, open it up, lock it round, and you can see it's very difficult to get in to attack the padlock. You're nice and secure. Whatever you want there is giving you good security. If you try and attack it, it's going to wobble around like that. Because of the way the body closes in, it's very difficult to attack it with a saw or pliers or hit it. ABUS are specialists in padlocks and security. It's what they do. This is a great padlock. Another fantastic product in the Christmas collection from Real Deals for You. Visit realdealsforyou.com to find your nearest stockist.